So part 2 was how to create the walls to project the walls up, both external and internal. So now what we're going to do is we're going to focus our time on putting in internal doors. Okay, so you could have done it this way, right? But you also need to put the part that goes across. I'm going to show you now how to put a door in. Let's say the front door. Let's put the front door in. Okay, so now what we can do is we can select the slab, right? So we have the slab selected. So I've just clicked on the floor of the structure, and I'm going to right click on it, and I'm going to hide it. So click on hide. Okay, so now what you can do is you can use the orbit tool to orbit around to underneath the structure for underneath this structure, and you can zoom into the door. I'm going to try and get to a space where we can see the door a little bit better. So you see how it's quite dirty right through here, okay? But we'll get a hang of it, okay? So let's triple click to get into this space here, into this group of the walls. All right, so we're in this space here, and I'm going to use this tool over here, the shape tool. I'm going to click on where the door swings out from, okay? So the pivot of that space. I'm going to draw outwards. Okay, so you see that in the measurements on the bottom right hand corner, we have 753 by 300. What we want is 800 by 300 millimeters. Now in real life, a door width is 830 millimeters. You can do that if you wish. Let's do that. So 830 millimeters by 300. Press return. Okay, so now we have that shape there. Right, so we understand that the height of a door is 2000 millimeters high. So what I can do is I can go to the push-pull tool, and I can select this, move this up, and then take my finger off the mouse, type in 2000, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so here we go. We've got this happening here. We have our door on the outside. What you can do now is you can go around your model and draw all your doors in from underneath. Okay, so I've zoomed out from this structure. Now I've got one door here. So some common problems that I want to go through is that if you have a door that is a bit fussy to bring up and there's all these other things connected to it, what you can do is that you can offset where you start your the base of your door slightly, and it'll open up a lot cleaner when you push-pull up. Okay, so now you can go around. I'm not going to waste time going through the entire model of how to do the doors. I'm going to show you now how to get onto the windows, and you can go on from there, okay? So now windows, I need to project the windows up because windows are slightly above the base of this slab, okay? All right, so let's go over to this tool over here. And this one is the measure tool, and you can click on this area here on just this end of the window, click there, and making sure that the measuring tape is in the green, just click anywhere up there, and over here again, click on there, and making sure that it is in the blue in this instance over there, click on over there. Okay. So other things you need to do too is ensure that the window is the same height as the top of the door, because if the windows are different heights and things, it looks a bit awful. Okay, so click on the top of the door there and zoom out, move back in again, making sure that it's in the red, and we can click on over there. Now for some reason my model is looking a little bit funny. I ended up bringing the tape measure out from the space, so even I stuff up at times. So go to the tape measure tool again, click on this section here, making sure that it is blue, and click on over there. I'm going to bring my base up by 300. In fact, I might just bring this one up by, I don't know, by how much? By 150. Okay, so that is a nice large window there. And we're now going to put the window in, okay? So we're going to go to this tool over here, and making sure that we can select this face, so we're not even in that space yet. So double click, get into it. Yes, so I can select this face right here, and I can go to this tool over here, and I can start, click over there in that corner, and then click over here in this corner over here. Okay. So why isn't it snapping to? There we go. All right. So now I can select this face here, and I can use the push-pull tool to push-pull to this edge here. Okay. And that there is our window cavity. Okay. Later on, you'll be able to make your own window frame and windows and things like that using the materials tool. Okay, so that'll be all for this part 3 of how to put the doors and the window spaces in. Okay, obviously I need to do a lot more to this model for extra doors and windows, but I'm fast forwarding this so it's making it a lot quicker for you to understand. Okay, thank you. Bye.